How to optimize Asphalt 8 for low-end Android devices. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If your Asphalt 8 game is running slow or lagging on your Android device, then you can easily optimize its performance on a low-end device as well. First of all, launch open Asphalt 8, and before doing so, make sure to close any other applications running on the background. Make sure that Asphalt 8 is the only app that's running on your device at the moment. If you close off any background applications, then this will free up RAM and gives the game more resources to use. Now, after you do that, launch open the game, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner from the lobby page. Once you do that, on the next page, click on Sound and Display on the left. Inside the Sound and Display tab, scroll down to Visual Quality and go ahead and choose it to the minimum. I'm just going to keep it over here for the fastest performance. On any low-end devices, if you want better performance, then you'll need to decrease this visual quality. After you do that, you can get back to your home screen. If you want to save the changes, you'll need to restart the game. Click on Yes in the pop-up to reboot your game, and once you do that, lowering the graphics or visual quality can help improve frame rates on less powerful devices. Now you can go ahead and see for yourself that the game does not lag like it previously used to. After you do that, it might solve your problem, but if it does not, the next thing you want to do is to check if your game is up to date. Go ahead and open up your Google Play Store on your Android, and in the search bar, search for Asphalt 8. In the search result, look for this Asphalt 8 car racing game and look if there is an update button available. If the app update is available, you'll see the update button, which you'll need to press on, and this will download the latest version of Asphalt 8 on your device. Once you have the game updated, this will often include performance improvement and bug fixes. Always make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. For online features and multiple racers, connect to a Wi-Fi network or a reliable mobile data connection to reduce the connection issues. And that's how you can easily optimize Asphalt 8 on a low-end Android devices. Also make sure that your operating system is also up to date so that any application can perform well. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.